Can I use my Amazon gift card to purchase anything?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing whether you can use your Amazon gift card to purchase anything. Gift cards are a popular way to shop online, and Amazon offers a wide range of products. So, let's dive in and find out the answer.
Understanding Amazon gift cards.
Amazon gift cards are a convenient and versatile way to shop on the Amazon platform. They come in various denominations and can be purchased online or in physical stores. These gift cards are essentially a form of prepaid credit that allows you to make purchases on Amazon.
Using Amazon gift cards.
When it comes to using Amazon gift cards, the short answer is yes. You can use them to purchase a wide variety of items on Amazon. Amazon offers millions of products across different categories, including electronics, books, clothing, home goods, and more. Whether you're looking for everyday essentials or special gifts, your Amazon gift card can be applied towards your purchase.
Restrictions and exclusions.
While Amazon gift cards are incredibly versatile, it's important to note that there are certain restrictions and exclusions to keep in mind. Some products may not be eligible for purchase with a gift card, such as other third-party gift cards, digital downloads, or subscriptions. Additionally, in some cases, you may not be able to use an Amazon gift card for purchasing items from third-party sellers on the Amazon Marketplace.
Checking gift card balance.
To make sure you have sufficient funds on your Amazon gift card, you can easily check your gift card balance on the Amazon website. Simply navigate to the Gift Cards section and enter your gift card details to view the remaining balance. This way, you can keep track of your available funds and plan your purchases accordingly. In conclusion, Amazon gift cards can be used to purchase a wide range of products on the Amazon platform. From electronics to clothing and everything in between, your gift card can be applied towards eligible purchases. Just keep in mind the restrictions and exclusions mentioned earlier, and always check your gift card balance to ensure you have sufficient funds. Happy shopping with your Amazon gift card! Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you in the next video.